Hey guys, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my channel. If you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over some tools that I recommend you having, that I use frequently, that I love. I get this question a lot, surprisingly, so let's get started. So this is a Sure Bonder hot glue pot. So the hot glue warms up here. It does have a temperature gauge. You can get this on Amazon. Hobby Lobby sells these as well. So I use this to dip my floral ends in to stick into a wreath or a floral arrangement. You can use it to put picks. You can also use little shish kebab sticks to get the glue out and wipe it on a sign or an ornament or something that you're sticking in to a wreath as well. So this is a Sure Bonder hot glue pot, okay? Another hot glue thing that I love is my Roby. This is my Roby hot glue gun. It is a battery packed, and that is so cool. So cordless, you don't have to worry about that. On and off switch. Love my Roby. You can get this at any hardware store. I believe I got mine from Amazon. You can get it, Home Depot carries them, Lowe's carries them. So you can get these pretty much anywhere. Love this guy. My next one is, and I actually just got this tool, is a staple gun. And you use this to staple pipe cleaners onto the back of your signs. It comes in really handy. I got this from Home Depot. This is my rotary cutter. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I use this to cut my mesh with. It has a retractable blade so you don't hurt yourself, and you can replace the blades on them. So I love this little guy. My next one are my handy dandy nippers. I use these when I'm cutting floral or cleaning up the back of a wreath or an evergreen or a swag. These are from Home Depot. I should be sponsored by Home Depot, just saying. These are from Home Depot. They're spring loaded, so they're really easy on my hands and my wrist. I love these. Love, love, love. Next one is just a good pair of needle nose pliers, because you never know when we're going to need these in the crafting world. Am I right? A good pair of sharp scissors. Okay, these are Craig Bachman's, so you can find them any online distribution place that sells Craig Bachman items. These are called ribbon tail boards. They come in different kinds of sizes and materials. So I have a wood version and acrylic. So these are ribbon tail boards. What you use with these is you wrap your ribbon around it and you can pull it off and snip the ends. So you get your ribbon tails a lot quicker by using these. Hashtag ribbon hoarder. These are both online on Etsy. These are both on Etsy, okay? Next thing I always recommend is having cable tie mounts. I like 4 inches when I'm doing my bows. I think 4 inches is a really good size to have. Amazon again. You can get those at a hardware store as well. These are called cable tie mounts. I actually just got these in. These are from Amazon. You can get them at your local hardware store as well. And what these do is they attach to things, metal signs. So it's a sticky adhesive on the back. So you peel and stick it. And then they have this nice little lip where you can thread through a pipe cleaner. So these are really great. But if you use this, I also love to reinforce that with some super glue. And I love the super glue because it has a really skinny needle point on it. So it's very precise. So make sure you always have some super glue. Another little find that I love, these are from Hobby Lobby. They are called floral U-pins, okay? These are great because these can make anything into a wreath attachment. So you just stick this right into whatever you're trying to make into a wreath attachment, okay? Add a little hot glue to it and a pipe cleaner, and then this little guy is good to go. Last but not least is a cutting mat. This cutting mat is from Amazon, but they sell them at Walmart, they sell them Hobby Lobby, so you can get a cutting mat in any size at a craft store or, of course, Amazon. So I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments, or if you would like another showcase video on other kind of resupplies. Just let me know. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, everyone.